You can pre-order my Audacity course for beginners at a discounted price of $20. After publishing the course, it will be $97 or more. I will publish this course on this Thinkific platform, which gives a better learning experience. However, this is not the course outline. I am in the process of making the course outline. The main focus will be an Audacity course for beginners. It will be about how to record properly, edit efficiently, and knowing the must-know basics to get a better sound. If you think of beginning a voiceover career or podcast, it would be a perfect course for you. You will also benefit if you want to produce audiobooks or produce excellent sounding videos for YouTube or online courses. The course will be in the voice you are listening to now. This voice is clear and easy to understand for anyone who knows basic English. I also find that native speakers like this voice. The course will be published in 1 month after I collect $150 from the pre-order. So that means if 7 people purchase today, it will be published before the end of the next month. If I see not enough people pre-ordering the course, I will refund those who ordered. You will get the link in the description and in the pinned comment.